everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to change the units on a Garmin Vivoactive 4 GPS smartwatch. This will be a super duper easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is my Garmin Vivoactive 4, and it's going to have standard units within the smartwatch for all of the different measurements that it's going to take, right? In terms of distance, right? There's all different units in terms of distance, temperature, blah, 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 right? How do you change them? Because it might be set to a certain set of units, and you might use a different set of units. For instance, pounds or kilograms, Fahrenheit or Celsius, right? For temperature and for weight and for temperature. You might use a different set of units. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to light the screen up. We're going to press and hold down on this lower button right here. It's going to bring up this menu. We're going to scroll down to the gear icon or cog icon, depending on what you call it, which stands for settings. And we're going to click that right there. So we click the settings icon. We're going to scroll down to system, which is all the way at the bottom, I believe, if I remember correctly. System right there. We're going to click system right there. And then what we're going to do is we are going to find units, okay? So you can see we have a few different system options, and this is a great menu to become familiar with, so I'll go over it while we're in here. Auto lock, you can obviously change, oops, sorry about that. So I went to English or Francais, which I speak a little bit of Francais myself. I went to language, English or French, right? But we don't need to choose that. So auto lock, language, time, date, backlight, physio, true up, vibration, do not disturb, units. There we go. So like I said, I accidentally clicked on language where I could choose from English or Francais, French. I didn't mean to, so you don't have to click that obviously. But what you do want to click on is units right over here. So click on units and then look at this. You have your distance units, which is automatically set to miles by default. You have your pace or speed units, miles by default. On my watch at least. Elevation in feet by default. Weight in pounds by default. Height in feet by default. Temperature in Fahrenheit by default. Okay, so let's click on temperature, for instance. Temperature I can change to Celsius. Click on Celsius, just like that. Okay, weight, instead of pounds, we can go kilograms, right? Let's say distance, instead of miles, we can go kilometers. So really this mostly depends on your personal preference, and it might depend on your region, what you're used to, like wherever you live, whatever measurement unit you use, whatever you're used to where you live, right? That's it. Whenever you're done, you can just go back, all the way back down to your home screen, your main clock face. That's it. That's how to change the units on a Garmin Vivoactive 4 GPS smartwatch. A super duper easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.